Okay, let's settle this once and for all. Are cats secretly superior beings? We're diving deep into the feline mind and why it might just outsmart our canine companions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our fascinating explorations of the animal kingdom. Alright, so let's get this straight. I'm not saying dogs are dumb. They're loyal, goofy, and undeniably lovable. But when it comes to raw intelligence, cats just might have the edge. Hear me out, and it's all based on science. One of the biggest arguments boils down to brain structure. Now, the overall size of the brain isn't everything. It's the structure and the number of neurons that really count. As Susanna Herculano-Houzel explained so well in her research about quantitative comparisons between brains, in her book, The Human Advantage, A New Understanding of How Our Brain Became Remarkable, dogs have around 530 million cortical neurons, which are responsible for thought, planning, and complex behavior. While cats, a whopping 250 million. That means cats have a higher capacity for processing information. Think of it like this. It's not just about the size of the hard drive. It's about how much RAM it has to run applications smoothly. But it's not just about raw brain power. Consider the way cats are wired. They are solitary predators in their nature. They rely on their wits and instincts to survive. Dogs, on the other hand, evolved to cooperate and follow commands within a pack structure. As described by experts in The Domestic Dog, its evolution, behavior, and interactions with people, this has likely shaped their cognitive development. Dogs are amazing at learning tricks and responding to human cues, which is a testament to their social intelligence and trainability. They excel at understanding human commands and working alongside us, a skill honed over millennia of domestication. But cats often demonstrate a different kind of intelligence. Problem solving. I remember watching a documentary where researchers at Kyoto University published a study demonstrating that cats understand cause and effect better than dogs. These cats seem to have mental images to create a full image and predict where things will be, even when not seeing the entire process. Now, this isn't to say that dogs can't solve problems. They certainly can. But cats tend to approach challenges with a more independent and strategic mindset. For example, consider a cat trying to get to a bird feeder. They'll observe, plan, and execute a complex series of jumps, climbs, and calculations to achieve their goal. That's a level of cognitive flexibility that's pretty impressive. And how about memory? A study published in the journal Animal Cognition showed that cats possess excellent spatial memory. They can remember the location of food sources and navigate complex environments with surprising accuracy. And while dogs are also capable of spatial memory, cats seem to have a more fine-tuned sense of their surroundings. Also, there's the whole social intelligence thing. Dogs are naturally eager to please and form strong bonds with their human families. They're incredibly good at reading our emotions and responding to our needs. Cats, on the other hand, often seem a bit more aloof. But that doesn't mean they're incapable of forming deep connections. It just means they express their affection in different ways. And, let's be honest, a cat who deigns to sit on your lap is showing a pretty high level of trust. One interesting thing to think about is how we test animal intelligence. A lot of standardized tests are designed around dog-like behaviors, like following commands and retrieving objects. It's possible that these tests don't fully capture the nuances of feline intelligence. Maybe we need to rethink how we measure smarts in cats. Here's a fun tip you can try at home. Try hiding a treat under a cup and see how your cat or dog tries to get to it. Observe their approach. Does your cat try to knock the cup over with a calculated paw swipe? Does your dog whine and look at you expectantly? This simple experiment can give you some insight into how your pet approaches problem solving. Ultimately, the debate over which animal is smarter is a bit silly. Both cats and dogs are incredibly intelligent creatures, just in different ways. Dogs are masters of social intelligence and cooperation, while cats excel at independent problem solving and strategic thinking. So let's appreciate both our feline and canine companions for their unique talents. What do you think? Are cats the silent geniuses of the animal kingdom, or are dogs the true smarties? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating animal insights.